Good morning, everybody. We are going to tell about nutrition. That is topic which is related to the class 10 bio. What is nutrition? See, in our life or in our environment, different organisms or you can say animals take their food from their environment. They digest to in taking food and takes energy from those foods, and they outtake or they you can say excrete their excretory material or waste product to the outside of the body, or you can say in their environment. In taking up food and taking up energy and irrigation of waste products to their body, to their environment is known as nutrition. There are 5 steps are found in nutrition. First step is ingestion. Ingestion means intake of food by any process, in unicellular or in multicellular organisms. There are different ways to taking food from their environment. The intake of food material from their environment is known as ingestion. Second step is digestion. Every organism digested their food by the different enzymes like carbohydrate digestive enzyme, protein, lipid or fat and so on. They digested their food by the process of with the help of enzymes. For example, we take our food. After taking, we digest in their food in mitochondria and produces energy. For example, there is example C6H12O6 plus 6O2 is equal to C gives us 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. This equation is related to the digestion of food. Here carbohydrate are you can say formula, it's a formula of glucose. Glucose are food, you can say food is oxidized by the oxygen. We take oxygen in respiration. Oxygen depletes or breaks to the food. This process is known as oxidation of food. The product is they give us carbon dioxide which is excreted from the outside by our nose or mouth or respiratory system, and some amounts of water is also present. We find from this process, and the main object which we obtain from their food by the process of oxidation is known as energy. This reaction takes place in our cell. There is a special type of energy producing organs known as mitochondria. When our food is extracted and they give us energy, which energy is stored in the form of ATP. So, in taking our food, digestive enzyme digest the all nutrients of food. After this, the third step is absorption. When food digested in the alimentary canal, like in multicellular organism, or you can say in human, digested food is absorbed in the last part of alimentary canal known as ileum. The absorption of digested food is known as absorption, which mix in our blood, and by blood they reach in liver, and after this they transfer to our cells time to time. Absorption of food is known as absorption. Fourth step is assimilation. Absorptive food is mixed in our cell. You can say protoplasm. In our protoplasm, mixing of absorptive food in our protoplasm known as assimilation. And the fourth step is egestion. Waste material. When we digested our food, there are some waste material which they are injurious to our body. So we excrete these waste material from our body or organisms. Excrete their waste material known as egestion. Excretion of waste material is known as egestion. So we are saying here there are 5 stages: intake of food, digestion of food, absorption of food, mixing of absorptive food in protoplasm, and excretion of waste material. There are 5 steps takes place. They completed to nutrition. According to the type of food, there are 2 types of organisms. First is autotrophy and second is heterotrophy. Are those organisms which make their food yourself, known as autotrophy, like green plants. Green plants take CO2 from their environment and water, 12H2O, from the earth by roots, and in the presence of sunlight, and with the help of chlorophyll. They synthesize their food by these products and gives us C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. This reaction is related to photosynthesis. By photosynthesis, plants make their food in presence of sunlight, and with the help of chlorophyll, they take carbon dioxide from their environment and H2O from their earth, tertiary water, and they give carbohydrate, water and oxygen in the form of byproduct. This reaction is known as photosynthesis. Both are opposite. Here, general substances mix to each other and make complex substance, starch, or you can say food. Here, complex sentence split with the help of oxygen makes general substances, simple substances, known as respiration. That is equation of respiration, by which B find energy from their foods, and this is the photosynthesis. Those organisms which make their food known as autotrophic, and those organisms which cannot synthesize their food by the process of photosynthesis because they have no food, and they take their food from their environment, known as heterotrophs, like mostly animals, for example in human also. They are heterotrophs, are divided herbivorous, those organisms which take their food directly from the plants, known as herbivorous, and next is carnivorous, animals which obtain their food by killing off other smaller animals, known as carnivores. So in this case we are saying here, there are two types of organisms: autotrophic, which makes their food oneself, and heterotrophic, those organisms which cannot synthesize their food oneself. They depend on plants or other animals like carnivorous, known as heterotrophic animals. There are two types of organisms. In this video, there is nutrition and types of nutrition. So today that's all from this chapter.